Hey guys, Marsha here for Tangible Riches. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an update on IPC, Intelligence Prime Capital, guys. But before we get into the video, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a single mom, just enjoying the cryptocurrency space, just enjoying the passive income space, and just creating multiple streams of passive income, while I'm enjoying it. I love what I do, and I try to create as much videos as possible in the projects that I'm involved with. IPC happens to be one of them. And today, guys, I just have to inform you that Intelligence Prime Capital has come to an end. Now, a couple of days ago, I got word that we could no longer recruit new members here in the United States. And when I got that, I was like, okay, this is it. This, for the minute I saw that we could no longer, get new members on our team, I was like, okay, they're actually coming to an end. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you. This was my intuition. I kind of have an intuition of when I saw the Master C bot, I was like, what are they doing? Because they wanted to the Master C bot basically is the bot that you subscribe to, and then they hold your funds for 100 days. You have no access to that. I was kind of skeptical about that, about the Master C bot. So that's why I was like, I'm not going to upgrade or transfer my funds to that bot. I was like, okay, I'm going to just continue with the Genius bot that I have. So when I opened my account this morning, I logged in, and all my funds that was usually in my MT4, yesterday was Friday, they would pay you, take the percentage, and you would see what you've earned for the week here. And then, you'd have an opportunity whether to compound or to withdraw. Well, guys, everything was right here in my USDT wallet. They did not, so I was not given. And then I saw this message. So, it says Intelligence Prime Capital will cease subscription for your country due to regional restrictions to remain compliant with local regulations. Kindly proceed to withdraw your funds fully from your account before the 27th of March. Guys, so I did just that. I withdrew all my funds, and so now it's pending, and I'm waiting for that money to hit my wallet. It's very sad. I really like IPC. I did. Yes, they've had their issues. Yes, but what I liked about it, even though these issues, they were having issues, whether it was with withdrawals or members getting their withdrawals or, whatever, they have tried to fix everything, in a timely manner. And they were honest to me, what they were honest. It's nothing is perfect, guys. And when we're getting these opportunities, we get in, and we hope that it lasts, and we hope that it's legit. And sometimes some last longer than some. That's why it is very important for you or for us to diversify when we're in this space of making money online or passive income, creating passive income. So again, IPC is no longer. I'm really sad to see them go at this point. I really, really like them. I'm not gonna lie. I like it a lot. I like them. I liked the energy that came with it. I saw people have made life-changing income with this opportunity, and I got in late, but I was hoping to that they would stick around for a little while, but they're not. Apparently, they're they're calling it quits, and they're moving on. I'm not sure if they're going to be remain active in Canada, because that's where they're originally from. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing, but all I know is that they're no longer supporting at least my account. I'm not sure for any other members, but my account it's definitely, as you can see, it's that's what it says. They will see subscription. So I withdrew my funds. Thank you, IPC Capital. I'm moving on. I will be making videos. I'm in a few other projects. I'm in COTP. I'm in that, and I'm also looking at I'm also in Novatech. I'm in Hyperverse. I'm looking for a couple other projects that I'm going to jump in, passive income streams that I will be sharing with you guys. So, stay tuned, and yeah, we move forward. I will not say anything bad about IPC. I've seen where they've done great things for a lot of people. Like I said, people have created life-changing income platform. So I have nothing bad to say. They have they know or have their own reasons why they no longer want to continue, with supporting us here in the United States, and whatever their decision is. You have to respect that. We have to respect that and move forwards. I'm just going to say thank you, IPC, for the time that we've been with you. I am now waiting for my withdrawal to hit my account, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, guys, IPC is no longer, and so we just move forward. We move forward to the next platform who's gonna, give us a handsome return on our investments. All right, guys. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk soon.